Hi guys, this is teacher Andrea and I wanted to explain how we use the Padlet on route alternatives. So we have asked you to choose a place and a way of transportation to include in the route around the world in our modern times. So I'm going to give you an example of how to use this Padlet. When we click on post here, they're going to have two options. First is to search a place by name. So I can just go to Cali here. I will select Cali, Valle del Cauca. This would be my example. Now, Cali, Valle del Cauca, I suggest going on a bicycle tour around the city, mainly in the west area. You can pass by different monuments and natural reservations. This is my suggestion. So in order to complement this, I'm going to add an image. I'm going to pick a file from my computer and I will choose the bicycles. So it will take a little to upload, but once it's done, this is going to be shown in your Padlet. So this is my example. This is how we use Padlet. So remember, you need to choose a place and then you have to explain what way of transportation you will use to make this place part of the route around the world, okay? So this is all. Thank you for watching. See you in class.